Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How to see your Instagram password. First click Instagram apps. Tap for profile icon. Tap for three-line icon. Click Account Center. Password and security. No more option. Gmail apps open. Click three-line icon. Scroll down. Click settings on. Click your Gmail. Click manage your Google account. Click security. Scroll down. Click password manager. Click Instagram. Finger or pin. Now see your Instagram password. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.